Oh, I'm so frustrated right now with this. I just can't figure out how to get the design to look like it says it's supposed to all the time. And I've been messing with this for 6 hours already just today and trying to get this thing figured out. And I keep hearing all these things and these terms about Search Console and scripts and adding code and HTML and mobile responsive. And I just don't even know what any of this means. And I'm just really confused and frustrated right now.
Does this sound like you? Hi, we're Gwen and Lori with the Click Collective.
Hi, guys.
We are going to host a workshop to help you out with all of these problems and explain things like Search Console and SSL and get you a secure and optimized website that can bring clients to you and will be well worth your investment into this workshop. Plus, you're setting aside the time to really work on your website, work on your business, rather than working in your business, which we both know as business owners is a hard thing to do, to set aside time to work on your business.
And you don't really want to take all your time building your website alone, do you?
No. And who wants to troubleshoot and Google every single thing and try to watch 15 million videos to try to figure out the one specific problem? It's much better if you just have experts at your disposal to ask. You'll have a LinkedIn group that you can ask questions of your classmates as well as both of us, live chats. There's going to be a ton of value. So go ahead and scroll down. If you have any questions, just let us know in the chat window and we're happy to answer them for you.
Yep, we're here to help.
We hope to see you in the class. Thanks.